Hey folks, how you doing? It's Richard from Bikepacking Adventures, and in today's video we're going to take a look at a product that I received maybe 6 weeks ago now. I've been trying to get around to doing a bit of video about it. We're going to show you in just a moment. I've put it through its trials over the last few weeks, and I must just say I've been gifted this. It's going to be a genuine, honest review of the product, just and to tell you a little bit how I've been using it. So let's not waste any time, let's get into this. This is the box for the Trustfire HBR 1350 Lumen head torch. Bit of background as to why I got this particular one. If you're new to the channel, I do lots of bikepacking, camping, lots of different places, and I'm no stranger to turning up after dark and setting up in the pitch black. And I've got another one similar to this, but it's one of these ones which is like a headband. It goes around the head and it's always dropping off because I can't get the tension quite right. And I started looking for something along these lines, and then the very next working day in dropped an email from this company called Trustfire, and they had all these headlamps, and I thought, that's good timing. So I had a look on their website, picked one out, and this is the one they sent me to do a review on. So again, that's the H6R Trustfire headlamp flashlight, 1350 lumens, that maximum. Of course, there are different modes on this. Can't quite read on the back, my eyes aren't as good as you used to. But yeah, there's 3 different settings. Well, it's actually 6 settings, like low, medium and high. I'll show you actually in a second the actual product itself. Like I said, there's low, medium, high, but there's actually, this is it here. Let me just, let's see, I've got it mounted on my helmet. I'll tell you all about that in a second. But it just pops off like this, and I tell you what, the first thing I noticed as soon as this ride was, it's quite heavy. It feels weighty. So you actually got 3 modes here and 3 modes onto the right. One of them's for how to explain this. One of the lights is for like a beam, a wide beam, if you like riding your bike. The other one's a bit more like a spotlight if you're on the move and you just want to look into the woods. It's kind of a not quite a strong beam, but it's more of a spotlight, so it's really good. And it turns on quite easy. We just toggle the modes with a quick click of the button here, and if you want to move to the other light, you just hold your finger on it a little bit longer until it jumps across and the red light comes on. Oh yes, there's a red light as well, and it goes through all the modes. There's an SOS on there as well. And again, flick to the other side, low, medium and high. Don't want to blind you. Anyway, this is it. It's really, really powerful. I've used it commuting to work so far, and a bit nighttime driving on a few longer rides and things. What more can I tell you about this? It's USB Type C, which is obviously the most up-to-date standard of USB. So I'm really pleased that is what it is. And the port is really watertight. So you just twist off at one end here, and until the actual port is revealed just in there. That is really, really good. Really, really clever, neat and tidy. So it comes with the harness, of course. And how I've made a use of it is I've attached it to my cycling helmet. Now that was quite tricky because I had no means to attach it to the helmet. So I got some straps from another product, not quite sure what it was, possibly a lighting product, helmet light. I've had it for years and I thought, I've got those tucked away in a box somewhere. So basically, where there's a gap, I've velcroed it on in 4-5 places, and it's not moving anywhere. So that stick to, obviously wear your helmet like this, and you can, while you're riding your bike, you can change the angle as much as you like. And again, like I say, there's all these different modes. Either It's hard to tell you it's hard to show you indoors. So I think there's might even be 7 modes, because there's the 2 red light ones. In short, you can change so much on this light, and yeah, it's been brilliant. Not only as great for like arriving at camp, just also acts as a fantastic backup. Another reason why I decided to attach it to my helmet is I had an accident on my bike this summer. I had an exposure light on top, and it flew off and ran into the grass, and I was never to find it again. I was more concerned with my shoulder breaking than trying to find a light. So I've needed a light anyway. So this has worked out multi-purpose. Use it for cycling as well as arriving at camp as well. So I'm looking forward to trying it out over the next 2-3 months. So again, this particular model, it's the H6R from Trustfire. 1350 lumens, which I think is plenty strong enough for a headlamp. In fact, it's very good. It's very good. They must have a lot of confidence in the product as well, because it comes with a 3-year warranty. So yeah, I'm hoping that's a good sign. Again, I'll pop a link to more information about this product down below this video. Also, I've got a product discount code as well, 20% off. Yeah. Find all the information down below this video, so feel free to go check it out for yourself. Again, this is more of me review the product. I've not had it long enough to put that much faith into it, but I can tell you up to now it doesn't feel flimsy. It feels strong, really well built, so I've got no qualms in recommending this. So go check it out. The Trustfire H6R. Right, I shall leave the video right here. I shall see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.